We're gonna make the sauce for the ribs here, barbecue sauce. Go ahead and put a whole stick of butter in there. Butter is what makes the rib crunchy and gives a lot of flavor. Let that stick of butter melt all the way. You either make yourself some real barbecue sauce, or in this case, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna use some Kraft original barbecue sauce. Look at this butter. Get all that barbecue sauce out. Don't want to waste anything. Every little drop. Louisiana hot sauce, use any kind of hot sauce. Put a little bit in there, get a little, some spice, some tang. Okay, start mixing it up a little bit. You see that fusion, that butter, that sugar, that barbecue sauce, all mixed together. You call it fusion. Add a little bit of ground pepper. You want ground pepper. Ground pepper gives flavor. You don't want no pepper. You want some ground pepper. Again, lots of butter. That's the key to making the ribs crunchy and gives us a lot of flavor. Want to add a little onion powder? You can. We like to have a little smell of the onion. It's up to you. Your preference. Set your oven temperature at 425. Okay, some pepper, lots of pepper. Pink salt, a little garlic, onion powder here. Take this butter, savory butter. Look at this, look at how thick that butter. Again, that butter makes it, crystallize it when you put it in the oven. You can do this about 3 times. You take it out about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. You put in a layer of barbecue sauce in there, and look at that. My mouth's just watering just doing this. The more you put in there, the more it's gonna crystallize, and it's gonna smell so good. And everybody's gonna start coming out of the living room, the bedroom from the house, because they're like, what's that smell? Okay, you put it in the oven. Here's 326, for about 10 minutes. Let it sear. It's been about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, so we're gonna take it out, put another layer of barbecue sauce in there. See that? Look at that. Want sizzling, you want it to brown up like that. Searing, it's searing, that's what it is when it's browning up. You put another layer on top of that, the barbecue sauce. So you do this about 2-3 times, you can get really crispy. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, it smells so good, guys. You can smell that barbecue sauce. You can smell that pepper. That just a little bit fusion. All right, we'll put it back in there. About 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Again, it depends on how many times you want to do, how crispy you want your barbecue ribs to be. We're gonna do about 2-3 times, and then it'll be perfect. It's been about 10 minutes here. But watch this here. This is the second time we put it in the oven, but watch how it crystallized when I take out. This is what you want here. You see that? You can hear it singing, you can hear it crystallizing, just bubbling. That's what you want, okay? And again, you can add one more layer of barbecue sauce in there if you want. You want to keep going till it gets really tenderized and crystallized. You can add several more. We're gonna do one more here, guys, then we're gonna be done here. But add all over the side, and then the leftover barbecue sauce you have, you can use it to dip it, or you can serve it, just put another layer on top of it. When you serve it, it won't be so dry. But look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, you guys ready for this? Oh, look at that crystallizing. Look at that. Can you zoom in on it? See how that's crystallizing? Bubbling? That's what you want. Oh, look how beautiful she is. Look at that. Then you let it sit for about 15 minutes, half an hour, and then just serve it. But here, I'm gonna try it here real quick. I'm gonna take a little piece, dip it in the sauce. Melts in your mouth. And taste the barbecue sauce. The butter flavor. And you can't complete Thanksgiving dinner without the mashed potato, corn, macaroni and cheese, and of course the what is that, green casserole, guys. Gotta have it all, right? And then you got your ham over here. Oh, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. You want it to sear, so make sure it's all flat, even. Oh yeah, look at that. Good. You put a little bit of soy sauce in it. Yeah. A little bit of oyster sauce. Give it a little color. Oh yeah. With the butter. No. I bet you it cooks really fast, guys. Oh. Look at that. Fire on here, guys. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up. We're gonna do some smash burger today, guys. Let's season for a little bit. And these are about 4 hours, guys. 4 hours. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look how beautiful that is. Rip it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Smell the garlic, the soy sauce. I'm gonna flip it here, guys. 2 tortillas. Meat. Perfect. See the cilantro? You want out the flavor of the cilantro. Lemon. Sprinkle a little bit on there, guys.